Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into some top manufacturing business ideas that promise fast production and daily market demand. These are businesses that can get you started quickly and cater to needs that people have every single day. Let's jump right in. First up, we have personalized gift items. Think custom mugs, t-shirts, phone cases, and more. The beauty here is the fast production time, especially with modern printing technologies. The demand? Huge. People always look for unique gifts for birthdays, anniversaries, or just because. The daily market is consistent, and you can start with a small investment. Next, consider eco-friendly products. With growing environmental awareness, there's a huge demand for sustainable alternatives. Manufacturing reusable shopping bags, bamboo toothbrushes, or even biodegradable packaging materials can be a great business idea. Production can be quick, especially if you outsource some processes. The daily market appeal is driven by consumers actively seeking to reduce their environmental footprint. Moving on, we have artisanal food items. Think about producing gourmet sauces, jams, or even baked goods. With the right equipment, you can achieve fast production. The daily market is there because people eat every day. Focus on quality ingredients and unique flavors to stand out. Online sales and local markets can be your best friends here. Another option is small-scale electronics assembly. This includes assembling things like phone chargers, LED lights, or even simple gadgets. Production can be surprisingly quick, especially if you have a streamlined process. The daily market demand is huge, as electronics are used and needed everywhere. The key is to source your components efficiently and keep up with tech trends. Consider also the manufacturing of pet supplies. Products like pet toys, pet beds, or even organic pet treats have high demand. Production can be fast, particularly if you focus on simpler designs. The daily market is consistent because people love their pets and always look for ways to make their lives better. This is a very reliable market. Last but not least, we have custom stationery items. Items like notebooks, planners, and personalized cards are in high demand. Production can be surprisingly fast with the right tools. The daily market is there because people need these items for work, school, and personal use. Focus on quality design and functionality to gain loyal customers. So there you have it. Several top manufacturing business ideas with fast production and daily market demand. Remember, success depends on your ability to innovate, manage your production efficiently, and understand your target market. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your business endeavors.